Looking for a seamless way to experience crystal clear 4K Ultra HD video and immersive sound? The Maximm 4K HDMI Cable Pack promises to deliver flawless high-definition visuals and rich audio quality that truly elevates your entertainment setup. What sets this cable apart is its triple shielded 32WG copper conductors paired with gold-plated connectors. This design guarantees high-speed, interference-free transmission, so you get vibrant colors and sharp images every time. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or giving a presentation, the cable supports resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz, including 3D and HDR formats. That means deeper colors, sharper details, and cinema-like sound through Dolby and ARC-enabled devices. Durability meets style with the cable's nylon braided exterior. It not only looks sleek but also resists tangling and withstands frequent bending. This flexibility ensures a longer lifespan and reduces signal noise, so your connection stays stable even in busy setups. Plus, it's tested and certified compatible with HDMI 2.0 devices, like HDTVs, computers, gaming consoles, and projectors, while also working smoothly with older HDMI versions. That backward compatibility makes upgrading hassle-free. To make installation easier, the Maximm pack includes a 270-degree right-angle adapter, 150 cable ties in various sizes, and 50 cable clips in black and white. These extras help you organize cables neatly and keep your space tidy. On top of that, the product is backed by a friendly customer support team and a limited 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. If you're tired of blurry images or unreliable cables, this HDMI pack is worth a look. It's designed to bring out the best in your devices without fuss or frustration. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your home theater or professional setup. Maximm's 4K HDMI Cable Pack offers what you get: premium quality, durability, and a stunning visual experience.